Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Dropbox API key. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, go to the Dropbox Developers platform. Then, log into your Dropbox account. Over here, you can click on Continue with Google if you want to log in using your Google credentials. After that, edit the URL in the browser to dropbox.com/developers and press enter. Then click on the Create Apps option. Over here, click on Scoped Access. After that, click on Full Dropbox to give your app full access. Then name your app and tick the box to agree to the Dropbox API Terms of Service. After that, click on the Create App button. Then you will be directed to the app settings page. Over here, click on the Generate Access Token option. This will create your Dropbox API key. So that's basically how you can get Dropbox API key full 2024 guide. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.